Alright, here we are once again. I'm looking. Look here, this is the lawsuit over the trust. Plaintiff Tasha P. Teeling versus defendant Patricia M. Teeling. Case set to closed. Order transferring case to circuit. This is the circuit. Here we go. Let's download that again. The County Court of the 6th Judicial Circuit. You are the circuit. Tasha Teeling, plaintiff. Patricia Teeling, defendant. This case coming before the court and the court determining that said case belongs in the circuit court. I'll explain this a little bit too. Is hereby ordered and adjudged. Our good buddy Frank Gray probably didn't want to be on YouTube anymore. Ordered and adjudged that the above styled case is transferred to the circuit court and the plaintiff is to pay all filing and or transfer fees incurred. The thing with that, this guy could read. He says I can write and I can speak, so I'm not disabled. Never gave me any accommodations, but if he could read, can Frank not read? He must have read something. I've been deemed and declared indigent. I have no money. The plaintiff is to pay all filing and transfer fees incurred. Whatever. I'm fucking indigent. Ordered that the motion to dismiss is scheduled. This is what Eugene asked for. The motion to dismiss is scheduled for a hearing October 13th, 2021 at 1:30 is hereby canceled and may be reset in the county circuit court with the appropriate judge. Wouldn't you have just dismissed it? Because I have cause. There is consideration. It's all in the trust that Patty's hidden with her freaking breach of trust and fiduciary misconduct. But yeah, that's Frank F. Grace, county, as far as he can call himself, honorable county court judge. But this is the 6th Judicial Circuit. We'll go over to this. He didn't read this. Motion for the default judgment. Request for judicial notice and ADA accommodation reviewed by court. Did you really? Did you really? Out here in the sticks. I'm out in the middle of Kansas somewhere. Is that what I want? Alright, here's reviewed. What she can call number for court and request ADA accommodations. I did. I think I have the phone call. They never call me back. Reviewed. She can call. Whatever. Alright, so here's. Read this if it comes up clear enough. This just kind of restates what I've been saying and how Patty just violated these small claims and civil procedures. Small claims these are all small claims rules. Jurisdiction for small claims cases lies in the county court. There is no separate small claims court recognized in Florida. I'm in the right court. Small claims rules do not apply to actions of foreclosure, mortgage. There's no reason for this to be transferred and just kick the can down the road. I bet you that guy just doesn't want to be on YouTube anymore. He doesn't want to do his job. So I'm gonna have to write something else. And when I get to it, whenever I get settled, I'll do it. Damages in a case do not exceed $5,000. The small claims rules apply. Small claim rules are less formal than the rules of civil procedure. The small claims trial court should resolve underlying disputes in a case rather than merely address the relief sought by the plaintiff. Meaning this court does indeed have jurisdiction to hear this case, despite the defendant's senseless and baseless arguments that are supported with zero legal arguments and only made up nonsense about alleged stolen recycling and hacked Facebook accounts. But they do have jurisdiction. I'll go to something else that shows that. I go on to talk about it. She never served me her motion to dismiss. There's things. This is right out of their handbook. If a rule of civil procedure is not listed in the small claims rules, automatically incorporated. It may be incorporated into small claims. Generally, Florida civil procedures, blah, 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 are applicable in all actions covered by these rules. It's all right there. They didn't read it. Talk about Patty's falsified order of protection, which try to discuss with the Klan. Ask for ADA accommodations. They say I can call. I did call. Let's go back to what do we want here? Notice of hearing. This talks about Eugene stuff. Was that it? Oh, that's what I wanted. We'll do that again. Oh, this is just Eugene. I'm just gonna get a friggin' letter in a minute. So the second motion to dismiss that actually it wasn't served on me because he sent it to an address I don't live at. So I don't have a home. That's where Eugene talks about he didn't read the amended statement of claim or just ignored it. He doesn't know what he's doing. Statement of claim. Petitioner Tasha Teeling fails to state a cause of action. Okay, it's only like 10 pages. At best, a statement of claim refers to an alleged promise to make a gift. No, you need to learn to read, Eugene. I'm going to read what I'm about to send you. No consideration was alleged. Get out of here. No idea what you're talking about. This is Patty's motion to dismiss. That she's trying to sneak behind my back. Where she talks about my talks about things being frivolous, talks about my YouTube channel, stolen recycling, says I'm slandering judges, tried to destroy my former husband and her brother. I believe she has hacked my Facebook. She went, this is a motion to dismiss. I talked about this before. Never served on me. There we go. Look at that application for indigency status. Clerk approved. And where is it? This is what they didn't read right here. Motion to compel. It's 10 pages. This talks about so it just gives a backstory. ADA accommodations once again, which I didn't get once again. And we'll go on to this is Florida law. States is not limited to, as I'm not an attorney. And this is trust code, this is statute. Duty to inform an account, knowledge, just definitions, default mandatory rules about the trust, the relationship to a beneficiary, the governing law, role of court in trust proceedings. Judicial proceedings concerning trust shall be commenced by filing a complaint and shall be governed by Florida rules of civil procedure. Right. Court may intervene with the administration. It talks about this is what I put in here. Ascertain beneficiaries, determine any questions arising in administration or distribution of any trust, including questions of construction of trust, instruments, instruct trustees, and determine the existence of or non-existence of any immunity, power, privilege, duty, or right. This is where I'm talking about. Subject matter jurisdiction, the circuit court, which is small claims, and circuit court, it's all one. The judge, it's in the same building. Circuit court has original jurisdiction, the state of all proceedings under this code. I showed you earlier that there is no separate small claims court. What do these people not understand? Frank Gray does not know how to do his job. Absolutely does not know how to do his job. Venue for actions and proceedings concerning trusts, including those under maybe whatever number, maybe laid in any county where the venue is proper under Chapter 47. Any county where the beneficiary suing or being sued resides or has a place of principal residence. The county where the trust has its principal place of administration. I'm in the right venue. If they read this, nobody read it. So I gotta write him and object to everything he's ever said. This is all trust code. I didn't just get released from Patty's stabilization unit here. Total mental defective right here. On reasonable request, the trustee shall provide a qualified beneficiary with a complete copy of the trust instrument. Verification of documents. Frank needs to do his job. Well, I'm in the right venue. But that's the kind of shit we're dealing with out there. Stay vigilant. Stay on these people.